So on the heels of my boots, I've drawn some roses ready for painting. So let's go. I'm going to do these. I'm going to stick these all to the reds, the yellows and the whites on this. I'll add a little bit of green in, I'm sure, but I'm going to stick to mostly reds, yellows and whites. And I'm using the blue for shadow, that's all. So let's start. So again, I'm going to do what I did before and just block some colour in, and then come back and do my shading on layer 2. So let me just whiz my way through this. So as I come out, I'm going to be adding some white into that. I want to pink it up a little bit. These are just blocked in, almost dry. I think I should wait for them to dry, don't you? So that's one shoe, and that's the other one. Okay, that's a better angle. It's all dried off now, so I'm going to carry on. I'm going to move my paint. So we need to lighten up our colour a little. I'll put my highlight back on in a second. Just need those to dry off a little bit, and then I can come back in and line a little more. Okay, last few bits of shadow need to go in. So that's one done. I shall go and do the other boot. So this is what I ended up with on the heels. So that's one boot. And that is the other boot. Okay, so here I've drawn some ribbons in and I'm going to paint those in. I've blocked my poppies in, so I'll do something with those. I'm not going to put the ribbons on the tongue because we're going to have the laces across there. So this is what we've ended up with so far. And I'd like my ribbons to be green to link this green through. So what do I need? I've got two yellows, so vivid yellow and sunflower yellow, and I have two blues, ocean blue and ultramarine blue, so I'm going to use a bit of both. Okay, let's start. Somewhere with a green. Now to start with, again, it's just blocking in. I'll shade it on my next layer. So I've blocked those green ribbons in, and I'm going to block in the green here. Okay, so that needs to dry and then I come back in and detail. Let's do the other leg. So my poppies are just blocked in. I still need to paint those, but I've done my ribbons, my green ribbons running through the flowers. So there's one foot. And here is the other one. So I just have my poppies to finish.
Okay, so I've blocked in my poppies, so I now need to paint over them. I'm going to start with a slightly bigger brush. And this red that I'm using is just called Intense Red. It's a beautiful poppy colour. It's quite transparent though, so I might need to do a third coat of this one. It does say up to 3 coats, and everything so far has done 1 or 2 coats, but this one looks like it might need 3 coats over the black. So, just to be fully covered. So, first things first, I shall put a second coat on and let that dry.
Okay, so that next layer has dried. You can speed up drying with a hairdryer, but I'm just going to now start shaping. This is the most awkward one, so I'm going to do this first and get it out of the way. I'm using a smaller brush this time just to give me control. I'm starting by just putting a layer of this intense red on, and then I'm going to start shading it just slightly. So I'm going to pick up the darker red here. And that darker red is called deep red. And then I also have a little bit of the ultramarine blue, which I'm mixing with the dark red to make a purpley colour. So I've got a little bit of ultramarine mixed with my deep red, and I'm just using that for some shadows. Let's come on to the next leaf. So I'm going to start with this intense red, which really is beautiful. Blends beautifully. And this deeper colour right at the base. As they dry, you get this sort of more satin finish. I thought I might need things to dry before I could put the light on, but I think it's proved true, so I'm going to put a little bit of light on here. Just adding a little highlight. Putting a little bit of a peachy yellow on. White would make it too pink, so I'm using this peachy yellow. And then just smudging it a little bit to give me the highlight. So I have covered these over. I have my poppies and daisies and chrysanthemums and ribbons and forget-me-nots. So that's one shoe. And that's the other.